I welcome you to your favorite channel Teddy Bear. Let's learn fruit names. Are you all excited? First we will have watermelon. It's a delicious fruit, and here we have bunch of grapes. This is pomegranate. This is guava. We love eating guavas. Pear. The next delicious fruit is pear. And citrus, lemon. We love eating lemon water we drink. This is plum. And now tangy pineapple. Apples. We love, yes. Bananas. Yellow bananas. Avocado, cherries. Oh, that's yummy. Blueberries. And delicious orange, very juicy. And king of fruit, mangoes. How can we forget cherries? Thank you.